Ash Mufareh, purpose, integrity, proven leadership. Ash Mufareh built global sales organizations, led high-performing teams, and achieved financial freedom early in life. He has guided thousands toward personal and business growth, proving that prosperity and principle can go hand in hand. A life of purpose for more than 4 decades, Ash has pursued a mission centered on unity, integrity, and opportunity. He believes that when people are inspired to aim higher and equipped with real skills, they elevate not only themselves but those around them. Building with integrity, Ash's leadership is grounded in ethical growth. He built businesses and developed people without compromising values, demonstrating that long-term success is built through discipline, trust, and accountability. Faith, family, and service. Today Ash prioritizes faith, family, generosity, and service. As a devoted husband and father of 2, he lives the values he teaches, modeling resilience, compassion, and purposeful leadership. It will be very hard to look around and not see us just get engaged. This will be a very big deal.